Hello and hi guys! So for today's video nga is gagawa pala ako ng brownies guys. So mag-melt muna ako ng 1/2 cup unsalted butter guys. So bali guys, oven toaster pala yung gagamitin ko. So yung baking pan is 8 by 8 na size guys. So first is unsalted butter. Half cup ng white sugar guys. Kung ayaw nyo matamis, half cup lang, but ipa-follow ko yung nasa card ko guys. After half cup of white sugar, so ito namang brown sugar guys ang aking isusunod. So mekos-mekos lang guys, mix but but usually gagamit tayo ng wire whisk guys para ma-melt lahat ng sugar dito sa butter guys. And let's go! So yes guys, pagkatapos ma-dissolve or ma-melt na yung mga sugar is maglagay na tayo ng 1 egg and then i-mix natin dyan guys. Bali 1 egg at a time. Pagkatapos maglagay na tayo ng another egg na also guys. Room temperature lang itong mga eggs guys and then i-mix lang natin. So ito na yung result guys. Ganyan, soft na. Ito yung butter, sugar at eggs guys. So soft na siya guys yung texture niya. And then, pagkatapos nyo guys, is maglagay na tayo ng pinch of salt para mabalanse guys dahil 1 cup itong sugar na nilalagay ko. And then, pagkatapos is, nagkuha pala ako ng guys, flour sifter kasi mag-ano na tayo ng flour. Half cup pala ito yung kuan guys, all-purpose flour na gamit ko. At ilang guys, strain kasi may mga particles talaga guys na muo guys, baka inangan, natin, ayagon guys sa Bisaya. So after this one is cocoa also guys, 1/2 cup since wala akong chocolate dark na bar, so ito lang cocoa and then i-sef lang itong mixture guys. So yes guys, fast forward muna tayo. Ito na yun guys, pagtapos ko mag-sifter, ito na yun, dito na siya sa guys, mixture ng butter and then using the rubber spatula guys. And then gagamitan tayo ng guys, wire whisk again para i-mix ito lahat para hindi walang buo-buo guys. At magiging soft pa ito guys later. And let's go! So yes guys, and yes sir, tapos na ako dito sa guys, mixture natin. So naglagay na ako at nagbrush na ako dito ng butter sa pan guys. And then maglagay pa rin tayo ng guys, after is parchment paper. So hindi maganda yung pagkakating ko guys. But anyway, ibuhos na natin dito ang ating brownies mixture guys. So bali yung gagamitin ko guys is oven toaster from the US. So gumamit pa ako ng guys, converter para ma-change yung electric dito sa atin guys. So before nakatry na ako nag-bake sa oven toaster guys, but different now kasi from the US ito at saka different voltage. But lang natin guys, i-plain na to at saka i-drop guys para walang bubbles, and then mag-toppings na rin tayo ng guys, peanuts since wala akong chocolate chips or any walnuts. So itong peanuts na lang na happy guys, dinurog-durog ko. So hopefully guys, okay yung resulta since first time ko ditong gumamit from the US at converter guys. So let's see, and ito na yung finished product guys. So nag-preheat na rin ako. And then, isasalang ko guys, mag-bake ako ng 20 to 25 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit guys. So, nakikita nyo yung black guys, yan ang tinatawag na converter. So, yung power sa is na appliance mag-change sa atin. So, fast forward guys, yes, naluto na rin ang ating brownies. So, pasensya sa appearance guys, but pag-press ko is soft siya guys. And na-burn yung gilid, but okay lang yan, masarap pa rin guys. Next time, estimate pa sa heat using the scary. So yes guys, try lang. So next time mag-bake na naman ako guys, maybe every weekend. But as what I said guys, before nakabake na ako ng oven toaster, but that is Philippine guys. So ito from the US with a converter pa guys. So let's do a taste and let's go!